My name is Pablo Edgar Jimenez Ortega. I am 52 years old. I was born in Bogotá now and studying an agronomy program at UNAT. Working in the Colombia Corporation on Investigación Corporativa. And Link play soccer. The last vacation I am going to Departamento de Quindío and spent the 15 days and when my wife and the children I like it because it was cheap. I was paying 3 million. I liked it because there were a lot of places to visit. War 3 was blind with the exception of knocking the Colombia coffee houses were wet had to glass of things visiting the Corolla Valley and explain and coffee plantation and was first approach to region than we really wanting to visit band in the wind. We did not know exactly what. And spin that the green is the strings. Teachers were comfortable, colors and suit for the to work. You should protect yourself from his high hooded glares hat at the sunscreen. Teachers were lying and the word locust to which depending on the weather. This chart shows the evidence in the Quindío, Armenia. You share the tool and the making two situations currents to travel. You share your vocal where you accounting for the train. Train has also on it with the done in Quindío, Armenia. You should to tune and make cheat sheet correction or to travel. To cheat your holder with your accounting 14 train. Gracias.